Friends, I am Digvijay Charan, metallurgist. I worked for more than 40 years as corrosion specialist in oil and gas industry globally. I have started this channel to impart training on principles of corrosion prevention. In all the forthcoming videos, I will explain about various corrosion mechanisms and their prevention covered in international engineering standards such as API 571, API 941, API 945, NASMR 0103, NASMR 0175, and other engineering standards on need basis. Before I discuss about corrosion, it is essential to explain about metal behavior. Friends, first thing, corrosion is a result of electrolytic balance in the nature. So corrosion can only be prevented, it cannot be stopped. Now corrosion is a result of reaction between process and metal. Hence, first I will explain about different material and metal behavior. Today I will discuss about carbon steel and cast iron. I will discuss in that process iron carbon diagram. Before I go into further details of iron carbon diagram, I need to explain about few basic terms. Steel, in which carbon mainly controls a mechanical property, is called carbon steel. Now carbon steel can have carbon up to 2% by weight. If it has carbon more than 2%, it is called cast iron. Now iron is an element which has property of allotropy. Allotropy means iron changes its crystal structure according to temperature. From ambient up to 910 degrees centigrade, iron has crystal structure of BCC, that is called body centered cubic. This phase of iron is called alpha iron. Please see the screen. Above 910 degrees centigrade, its crystal structure changes from BCC to FCC. FCC means face centered cubic. Therefore, from 910 degrees centigrade up to 1410 degrees centigrade, the crystal structure remains FCC. This phase of iron is called gamma iron. Above 1410 degrees centigrade, crystal structure of iron changes to BCC again, that is body centered cubic. This phase of iron is called delta iron. Hence, from 1410 degrees centigrade up to the melting point of iron, that is roughly 1535 degrees centigrade, it remains delta iron with a BCC structure. Alpha iron and delta iron have similar crystal structure BCC. Now there is a term called solid solution. It is just like liquid solution. It is a solvent and solute. When alpha iron is solvent and carbon is solute, the solid solution is called alpha ferrite, or it is also called ferrite. When gamma iron is solvent and carbon is solute, the solid solution is called austenite. When delta iron is solvent and carbon is solute, the solid solution is called delta ferrite or delta solid solution. In all the three solid solutions I mentioned above, solute is carbon whose concentration can vary. Now another term is iron carbide with the formula Fe3C. It is not a solid solution but a chemical compound having fixed composition. This chemical compound has fixed carbon percentage, that is 6.67%. Iron carbide is also called cementite. Another term is pearlite. Pearlite is combination of alpha ferrite and cementite. In one crystal of pearlite, There are consecutive layers of ferrite and cementite. Pearlite has roughly 0.8% carbon. I will explain in next episode the iron carbon diagram in detail and the effect of temperature on different phases in carbon steel and cast iron. Friends, if you have any question, please put forward in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. If you find this episode useful, please subscribe this channel, share the video and like the video. Thanks.